Panatang makabayan, niibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng ating lahi, kinupkup ako at tinutulungan maging masama.
It's beginning to look a lot like
And a Happy New Year.
Where are you at in your life right now?
At my limits.
What's a fast solution to a headache?
Forehead kiss.
Sir, excuse me. What would you do if you get locked out of your room?
I'll talk to the lock
Talk to the lock? Why?
because communication is key.
How lazy are you?
I'll marry a pregnant woman.
Have you ever experienced back hugs?
No, only backstabs.
Oh,